Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to sign up for Grailed. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch the Grailed website. So go to the Grailed homepage by visiting www.grailed.com in your web browser. Once you do that, on the top right corner of the homepage, you're definitely going to find a sign up button. Now go ahead and click on the sign up button. You will find I already have an account, so that's not up for me. Now, once you click on it, you will now be able to begin the registration process. After clicking on that, you'll be presented with different options to sign up. Now you can either sign up with Google or sign up with Apple or sign up with email. If you choose to sign up with your email, you will need to fill out a registration form. Enter your email address, create a username, and set a password. Confirm the password by re-entering it. Accept Grailed's terms of service and privacy policy by checking the box. Click on the sign up button to proceed. Grailed will send you a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox and possibly the spam or junk folder for an email from Grailed. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. And once your email is verified, you'll be redirected to the Grailed dashboard. You can complete your profile by adding additional information such as your profile picture, bio, and location. And after completing your profile, you can start browsing, buying, and selling items on Grailed. And that's how you can sign up on Grailed web app. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.